Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a powerful feature in Tableau, that is widget extensions. If you have ever felt limited by Tableau built-in features, widget extensions can be a game changer. They allow you to extend Tableau functionality using custom web applications and visualizations. So let's explore how they work, why they are useful, and how you can start using them. So first, let's see what are widget extensions. Widget extensions let you bring external functionality into Tableau, allowing for more interactive and customized experiences directly within your dashboard. You can use them to add features like custom charts, data entry forms, and more. Okay, so let me connect to the data source. So to start using widget extensions, you need to enable JavaScript. You have to go to the help and then go to settings and performance. Here we have set dashboard web view security. Make sure you have enabled JavaScript here. Once it is done, if you go to the marks card here and click on this drop down, you can see at the bottom we have add extension option. Just click on that one. So we'll have one window, add extension. So here we have three options: built by Tableau, Salesforce, free extensions, and sandbox extensions. You can also add local widget extensions that you can download from the Tableau exchange. For now I will select built by Tableau and Salesforce. If I select this option, you can see two options here, sankey and Tableau table. So for now I will select sankey and just click open. You can read about this extension here. Just scroll down and see the description of this extension and then just click open. If you are using this extension for the first time, it will ask you to allow the extension or not. So let's say I want to select a different extension. So let's say I want to select the free. Here I will select the tree diagram and then click open. Since I am using this extension for the first time, it is allowing you to it's asking whether you want to allow this extension or not. This workbook contains the following network enabled extension, or which is a web application that expands the capabilities of Tableau. To allow this extension, select OK. Okay, so you touch the source of this extension, then click OK. So once you click on this drop down, you can see you have these two options. So I will select sankey. So once you select the marks card sankey, you can see the options related to that extension: level, link, detail, and tooltip. Okay, let's say I want to build visualization to show the segment level. So once you add that segment, it will take some time to create the visualization. So now we have the segment, and then we can use one more level. Let's say I want to show by category. Now I would like to see the link between them by sales. Now I'll drag sales to the link. So now you can see how data is flowing from consumer to the category level and the sales. Sankey diagram, each line represents the relationship between the two items, two dimensions here, and how data is flowing. You can add one more level if you want. Let's say I want to add one more level, maybe subcategory. So we can see how data is flowing from category to the subcategory level. If you do not want to see subcategory as a different level, but you want to see as a detail, I mean how the data is split through subcategory from segment, you can just add subcategory to the detail. So now we have the each this line representing the subcategory level. Even if you want to add to the another level, so now we have segment, category and subcategory. If you want to change the order, you can just bring it down. So I'm just showing you to how to export these options. So segment, subcategory, category, you can always change it. Okay, now if you want to format this extension, you just click on the format extension. Like we can have the options to customize this extension. So we can enable these options. You want to show the nulls, you can increase, decrease the width of this appearance of chart. You can also change the padding. You can change the font. Show top level headers or hide. So you can change the color palette as well. I'll just click to reset to default. So this is how we can use extensions in Tableau. So this is a new feature introduced from 2024.2, which is available now in 2024.3. I hope this tutorial is helpful to you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe. Thank you.